In a world filled with diversity, how can we foster understanding and peace among different cultures? Let's explore the transformative power of intercultural dialogue. Intercultural dialogue is a process that involves sharing ideas and differences to achieve deeper understanding. UNESCO emphasizes the importance of mutual respect in this approach. This dialogue is crucial for tackling common challenges like racism, xenophobia, and intolerance, which can threaten peace. It's one of the oldest modes of democratic conversation. Strategies to promote inclusivity include staying adaptable while preparing strategically for conversations, understanding cultural and personal communication styles. By engaging in dialogue, we can uncover perspectives on diversity and inclusion. This exploration helps us celebrate cultural differences while fostering understanding and acceptance among diverse communities. Mastering these conversations involves continuous learning about global developments affecting perspectives and attitudes, ensuring we adapt to new understandings and challenges. Through transformative communication across cultures and identities, intercultural dialogue plays a key role in building cohesive and peaceful societies. This approach is vital for our global future. So there you have it, cultural conversation as the cornerstone of unity and peace. How can we better engage in these dialogues? Share your thoughts.